In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight text in Google Docs. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. To start, open your document and select the text you want to highlight. Then, go to the toolbar at the top and click on the highlight color icon. From here, you can choose one of the preset colors to quickly highlight your text. If you want a custom color, click on the plus icon. This lets you create your own highlight color, and you can even paste a hex color code if you need an exact shade. Right beside the plus icon, you'll see the color picker tool. With this tool, you can pick a color directly from an image in your document or from anywhere on your screen, giving you complete flexibility in choosing highlight colors. To remove highlighting, simply select the highlighted text again, click the highlight color icon, and choose None. This will remove the highlight while keeping your text unchanged. And that's it. That's how you highlight, customize colors, and unhighlight text in Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs guides.